Welcome back. Today we're comparing Duolingo, Airlearn, and Busuu to help you choose the best language learning app. Duolingo is the most popular option, offering gamified lessons, daily challenges, and support for dozens of languages. It's great for beginners who want to build a consistent learning habit. Airlearn uses AI-powered lessons and personalized practice to improve your speaking, vocabulary, and grammar. It's designed to make learning more interactive and tailored to your progress. Busuu provides structured language courses, grammar exercises, speaking practice, and feedback from native speakers. It also offers study plans to help you stay on track. The overall winner is Duolingo because it combines fun, interactive lessons with support for a wide range of languages and an easy-to-use interface. Its gamified learning system, daily practice reminders, and consistent progress tracking make it the best choice for most language learners. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.